Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick voiceover record right in the edit page. Right above your timeline here, you got a new little microphone. This is on version 20. Click that and you get this voiceover dialog box. You used to have to go into Fairlight and do a bunch of patching and set up cues. Now you just have this quick little interface here. You can name your file. You can choose your audio input from here. And record track will either be auto or you can assign it to one of your existing tracks. Under the options menu, you have input monitoring, which right now it's on. We could shut it off. We also have a 3-second countdown and a mute timeline while recording. And you can change it to a stereo input, and you can hide any of those options as well. Whatever bin you are in your media pool is where the file is going to get generated. So right now we're sitting here in this raw bin. So I'll hit record, test record, hit pause. Here's our track down here. It's a little quiet, so I'll turn it up here and play it. Test record. There it is. And then if we right click it and say reveal in Finder, you can see in our project folder here, we're under this tutorial project. It made an audio files folder called voiceover. The timeline was 2398 and here's the files here. And that's all there is to it now. You don't have to do any crazy patching or anything like that. You can record a voiceover right into your project just like that. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.